Hello YouTube, this is Dr. DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with a haul from Tuesday morning, and I will show you what I got. So this is the Bo Bunny washi tape called Modern, 99¢. And of course, you know, you can call those product hack numbers, although sometimes they have the same number or more than one product, so it may not help you. But this number is 1962385, and so it's just 2 rows of washi tape. This is also by Bo Bunny, $1.99, and it is 1962357, and this is the film strip, and it's 1 meter, and it's called Sweet Life. So I thought that'd be neat to work with, some multimedia or something like that. And then this is by Dear Lizzie, and this is 40 adhesive tickets, and these are the designs right here. So you get 5 designs, and they look like they're the gold foiled, and it says, excuse me, time is now, my favorite today, just be cool and never forget. And this was $2.49, and the number is 1964126. Again, so that's the Dear Lizzie. It's tickets, basically. It's just that's the tickets. Then ticket. I mean, they've been in my store forever. I don't know. I wanted the word create, so I just got the word create by Heidi Spot 449 1929996. So they have other words: bliss, imagine, happy, thank you, and all those. I did get some of the twine finally. It's $3.49, and this is 180 yards, so this should last a long time. And it is 1938457. I got this promo because this is a lot thicker than some of the twine that I have. So, and it's soft, so I went on and got that. And this will last forever. And plus, it's neutral, so I can pretty much go with any color. I picked up 2 of the carpe diem, 1 for me and 1 for somebody else. And this is 10 yards, 99¢. And this comes from the Faith line, Simple Stories. I mean, carpe diem. I can't talk. Anyway, this is 99¢. The number is 1958676. And if you can see up here, it has hope, love. Okay, I need to the next word is charity. Hope, love, charity, duh. But anyway, so that's what those are. It's just some washi tape. So this, they just got these out last week. This is a couple days old to get this video up. But anyway, this one is Flip Album Snapshots. It's $4.99. I just got one. They had like 4 different designs. I kind of just wanted to get it to kind of see how it was made, see if it's something that I could imitate myself. It flip folds and reveals, and it holds up to 8 4x4 photos. They had, like I said, 4 different colors. So pieces flip up, pull out, flip down, and then it has an easel stand at the back. So my friend who just got married this year, I was going to put some of her photos in there for that for her. And then this is 1962275. And these are colorways, and this one, of course, you can color, 99¢ puffy stickers, and it is 1938941. And what you see here is adore, beauty, style, cherish, elegant, and stunning. And I'll come back to that. And just some Simple Stories, domestic bliss, enamel dots for $1.99, 1958678. And I got 2 of these, 1 for me and 1 for someone else. Where's the other one at? Somewhere around here. But anyway, I thought these were cute. I hadn't seen these. And these are just some of the carpe diem metal charms. There's a camera heart. It's a brand new day. That one says hello. $1.99. So these would be great. You can hook them onto your planner. And they are, the number is 1958657. It's $1.99. Like I said, I got 1 for me and someone else. And then I just got a couple ephemera pieces. This is Oh My Stars by Bella Boulevard. And that number is 1353 if you're looking for that one. But anyway, they were 99¢, and the number is 1968834. And does it say how many pieces? But anyway, these are the pieces that are in there. And they got some more of the illustrated faith ones out, and $1.49. And these little paper clips, and this one is 1968874. 16 pieces. Sorry about the noise in the background. My window's open, and people playing a video game or something. I don't know what they're doing. some kind of game to make a noise. Oh, here's the second one of those. Then I got the pink paisley, turned the page 30-piece wood veneers. And that's what they look like. And the number on that one is 1964099. So it's always nice to have some painted on wood veneers. And this has been out for a while, but these are the acetate words. They're just in pink and red. And this is by Heidi Swap, and it's 1931129 for $1.99. It's an 8-piece set. And those are the words: adore, selfie, bonjour, ciao, cheeky, favorite, flirt, and cutie. I finally got this one in. I think I had it before and I didn't get it. This is Illustrated Faith, 13 pieces, $3.99, fly free. And it is 1968872. And I like some of the sentiments, of course. It's Revelation 21:5. Everything is beautiful He has made. 2 Corinthians 5:17, new life. And, of course, the butterflies and fly free. And then this one, this is the hearts one. On the fence about this one. It's $4.99 and it's 2-piece sets. So both of those could make strips like that. And it is 1929993. Quick cuts die. Okay. And then I found this one. They had the little box, the regular box one, but it was small, a lot smaller than this one. Plus I have a lot of stuff on my Cricut I can make like this one. But this one was different. I don't think I have any cartridges that I own anyway. That has this one, but it's not to say something else in Design Space. But anyway, I went on and got this one for $4.99. And this is called Candy Dispenser. And it was much bigger than the other one, the other die. But anyway, this one is a 3-piece set. And those are the 3 pieces right there. And I'll show you the other side. So it's a little bit bigger. Still not that big, but it's a little bit bigger than the other box that they had. Well, it's way bigger than the other box, but it's still small because you can look at the lid. It's probably like a 2x2. But I just thought it'd be something fun to put something in there, you know, give it as a goodie. And the number on this one is 1929991, which a lot of the dies have the 1 on the end. Just like this one. This is the Sunshine Doily, and it has the same exact SKU number, so yeah. They make nice toppers. Then this one, Chipboard Piece Festival Stories, and this is So Fancy. And it has 28 pieces, $1.99. Not a big pink girl, but I thought they were cute pieces. And it is 1958661. And these envelopes for 99 cents, and it is 1967248. And then the last thing I got, which is a duplicate, because I got this for, actually, let me see the one. Open. My daughter brought me one, and I picked the one for someone else. I'll show you this one because I already opened it up. This is mine. But this is Simple Story Seeds of Faith, and it's $2.99, and it's 1968870. I liked it because these are acetate sheets, and they have that little film on them you have to take off. But anyway, probably still can't see them because of the sun. Let me see. How can you see that? I think if I do it this way. There we go. That's one. My sheets all came out, so I will just, well, most of them came out. I hadn't seen anybody with these yet, but they're cute. And you know, you can make these into tags, cut them out yourself any kind of way, leave them as journal pages, in your planner or book or whatever. But nice, pretty, colorful acetate. So anyway, that's those. So that was my haul. So anyway, Tuesday morning we'll be continuing to have quite a few more crafting items come in each week, and make sure you check your clearance section. I went into one store, like papers that had just been out, I don't know, within the last month from April, already 20% off. The other stores didn't have them on sale, so it just depends on the store. what they need to move. So every store can move around pretty much what they want to. So definitely check out the clearance too. If it's something that you wanted and you might not see it, check out the clearance section because it may at least be 20% off. Because with the new stuff coming in, they've got to get rid of this old stuff, and they're going to be having quite a bit of new stuff coming in. So check back and make sure you check that too. Anyway, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. Take care. God bless.